companies talk about Salesforce AI versus Salesforce training, it sounds like a technology decision, but in reality, it's not. Most organizations are actually choosing between fixing user behavior and process adoption, or hoping AI can compensate for weak adoption, inconsistent data, and poor training. That's the real decision. The first question shouldn't be, should we buy AI? It should be, is our Salesforce environment healthy enough to benefit from AI? Because AI is only as good as the system feeding it. If your Salesforce environment is struggling with incomplete records, skipped opportunity stages, weak notes, poor reporting discipline, low user adoption, AI isn't going to magically fix those problems. A lot of the time, it simply accelerates them. Now, AI absolutely has strengths. It can summarize information faster than humans. It can review hundreds of opportunities at scale. It can maintain consistency and identify trends or risks that might otherwise go unnoticed. For organizations with mature processes, disciplined users, trust reporting, and high-quality data, AI can deliver significant efficiency. But where many AI conversations disconnect from reality, AI doesn't fix bad data. It doesn't replace a process understanding. And many AI projects become training projects because users still need to understand the outputs, follow the new process, learn how to use the tool. Training always comes in. Good Salesforce training isn't about showing users where the buttons are. It's about helping people understand the process, why it exists, how leadership looks at the data, what breaks downstream when information isn't entered correctly, how the system benefits them personally. When you train right, it improves your data quality at the source. It creates trust in Salesforce. It reduces the workarounds and actually creates stronger adoption. Of course, training isn't perfect. Training programs are often generic, technical, or forgotten shortly after they're delivered. Training requires reinforcement. It doesn't eliminate the effort required to maintain good data and follow the process. So the real trade-off isn't AI versus training. It's acceleration versus foundation. AI accelerates the system. Training improves the system. If your team already trusts Salesforce and uses it consistently, AI could be the next logical investment. But if leadership is still like, nobody uses Salesforce, nobody updates it, your reports aren't trusted, training is where you need to start. The reality is you need to be honest about your current environment and adoption. Sometimes AI is the answer. Sometimes the answer is fixing your foundation. Both can be true. The important thing in choosing which solution is actually addressing the problem you're trying to solve.